Every day, dedicated refrigerated tankers deliver over 50,000 gallons of fresh grade A heavy cream, separated minces. Fresh heavy cream contains approximately 40% butterfat, nearly 10 times the concentration of whole milk. Every incoming cream load is immediately tested for butterfat content, bacterial count, and antibiotic residues before being accepted into the factory's processing system. The Babcock test provides rapid, accurate butterfat measurement of the incoming cream, ensuring it meets the minimum 40% fat specification. Cream pasteurization uses a dedicated system specifically engineered to handle the much higher viscosity and different thermal properties of 40% fat cream compared to standard milk. Cream pasteurization occurs at a higher temperature than milk pasteurization because the high fat content provides additional thermal protection to potentially contaminating bacteria. The elevated pasteurization temperature ensures complete destruction of all pathogenic organisms while also inactivating lipase humus. After pasteurization, the cream must be rapidly cooled to the exact temperature specified for the ripening stage, where bacterial cultures.
The ripening vats are the biological heart of cultured butter production, where carefully selected bacterial cultures will
Now pasteurized cream, now thermally treated and enzyme inactivated, awaits the addition of the living bacteria. Inside the sealed ripening vats, carefully selected lactic acid bacteria slowly consume lactose and produce diacetyl, the specific aromatic compound. The starter culture contains specific strains of Lactococcus lactis and Leuconostoc mesenteroides, selected for their ability to produce hydrogens. During the 12 to 16-hour ripening period, the bacteria multiply exponentially, progressively acidifying the cream. The ripening process must achieve a precise target acidity without over-acidification. The pH decline rate is continuous. Ripening typically requires 12 to 16 hours of undisturbed incubation, meaning vats filled in the afternoon will reach their target acidity in the early hours of the following morning.
buttons. The ripened cream has undergone a profound biochemical transformation. Its pH has dropped, its viscosity has
This changes. Sweet cream butter production follows a simpler path, churning fresh, pasteurized cream without ripening.
With the ripening complete and the target acidity achieved, the cultured cream now proceeds to the most dramatic mechanical transformation in the facility, the violent churning process. Titratable acidity provides the definitive analytical measurement confirming the ripening process achieved the exact target acid development required for the specified butter flavor profile.
Each ripened batch requires formal quality release before the churning process can begin, verifying that the culture activity.
The continuous churn is the most dramatic machine in the entire facility, subjecting the ripened cream to such violent mechanical agitation. The emulsion break is a dramatic, instantaneous physical event. In a fraction of a second, the stable cream collapses.
The motor current spike occurs because the churn suddenly transitions from beating liquid cream to working solid butter granules. The continuous churn processes over 5,000 gallons of cream per hour in a single pass, converting liquid dairy fat into solid butter tinnies. The newly formed butter granules are small, irregular solid fat aggregates that must now be separated from the surrounding.
Blasting. Buttermilk separation is critical because any residual buttermilk trapped within the finished butter will rapidly spoil, creating
The drained cultured buttermilk is a valuable co-product collected and processed into traditional cultured buttermilk beverage, ensuring the facility generates zero dairy waste.
Cold water washing flushes out the last traces of buttermilk trapped between the butter granules, dramatically extending the finished butter shelf life by removing.
The washing continues until the drain water runs completely clear, confirming that virtually all residual buttermilk has been flushed from between the butter granules. The working rollers compress and knead the loose butter granules, forcing out trapped water pockets, distributing moisture uniformly, and creating the smooth, continuous ribbon of freshly churned butter emerges at approximately 16 degrees Celsius, soft enough to be mechanically shaped but firm enough to hold its form during packaging. Release. The vacuum working machines remove any remaining trapped air pockets and ensure absolutely uniform moisture distribution. Butter moisture content is legally regulated. The maximum permitted moisture is 80% fat and no more than 16% moisture in most jurisdictions. Salted butter varieties receive a precisely calculated quantity of fine dairy salt, uniformly distributed throughout the machines.
The facility simultaneously produces both salted and unsalted butter varieties on parallel lines, with the unsalted
Complete salt distribution uniformity is verified by sampling and analyzing multiple points across the butter mass, ensuring no consumer encounters an unsalted. Spreadability testing ensures the worked butter achieves the precise crystalline structure that allows it to spread smoothly at refrigerated temperature rather than crumbling or being too soft. The continuous working process transforms loose, soft churned butter into a precisely conditioned solid with exact moisture, salt, and fat. The extrusion nozzle continuously forms the worked butter into a uniform rectangular cross-section, matching exactly the interior dimensions of the retail packaging wrapper. Butter color naturally varies with the season due to the cow's diet. Summer pasture-fed cream produces darker yellow butter. The precisely extruded, continuous rib of finished butter now approaches the final packaging operation, where it will be cut into individuals. The automated wire cutter slices the continuous butter ribbon into individual blocks with weight accuracy within 1 gram. Every individual block is independently weighed at production speed. Any block outside the acceptable weight tolerance is immediately diverted for rework. Thousands of identical butter blocks advance toward the wrapping machine in perfect single-file formation at meticulously consistent spacing. The metallic foil wrapper provides an essential oxygen and light barrier that protects the butter from oxidative rancidity development throughout its commercial refrigerated shelf life. The quality laboratory verifies every production batch meets stringent analytical specifications before authorizing commercial release to the distribution cold chain. Melting point analysis verifies the crystalline structure that determines spreadability, an essential quality attribute influenced by the cow's diet and the tempering regime during production. Formal batch release integrates all compositional, microbiological, and sensory data into a single comprehensive quality judgment before any butter can enter the cold distribution chain. The packaging department simultaneously produces quarter-pound consumer sticks, 1-pound retail blocks, and massive 50. The 1-pound block format serves consumers who prefer buying in larger quantities for baking or frequent cooking use. Institutional food service butter blocks weighing 50 pounds each supply restaurants, bakeries, and commercial kitchens that consume butter in large quantities daily. Whipped butter incorporates approximately 30% nitrogen gas by volume, creating a lighter product that spreads more easily at refrigerated temperature. The tub format with printed peel-back lid provides the most convenient spreadable consumer experience, competing directly with margarine products. Multiple butter formats from multiple wrapping lines converge into a single downstream cold case packing and palletizing operation, maintained at cold chain temperature. The sealed wrapped butter stick, a timeless product format virtually unchanged for over a century, connects the modern factory to generations of culinary tradition. The entire case packing department is maintained at cold chain temperature to prevent any warming of the butter during the transition from wrapping to refrigerated warehouse storage. Insulated cases with frozen gel packs provide supplemental cold chain protection for premium butter shipments that may experience extended transport durations. The pallet pattern includes ventilation gaps, allowing cold air to circulate uniformly around every case during warehouse storage and refrigerated transport.
The stretch wrap secures the stacked cases while preserving the ventilation pattern essential for uniform cold air circulation.
The integrated temperature data logger creates an unbroken second-by-second temperature record from factory floor to retail shelf. The refrigerated warehouse maintains over 8,000 pallets of butter at precisely 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Deep freeze storage at -4 degrees halts all biochemical activity, allowing butter reserves to be maintained for up to a year without any quality deterioration. Butter distribution operates as a precision cold chain race, with products maintained at unbroken refrigerated temperature from churning through retail display.
No butter product is permitted to enter a trailer until the interior temperature has been verified at or below the maximum permitted transport specification.
Each departing trailer carries enough butter to supply an entire metropolitan region's restaurants, bakeries, and supermarkets for a full day. European-style cultured butter commands premium pricing due to its higher fat content, more intense cultured flavor, and clarified butter, or ghee, is pure butterfat with all water and milk solids removed, resulting in a product with an extremely high smoke point ideal for high-temperature cooking. The gentle separation process uses controlled heating and gravity to cleanly divide the melted butter into the superior clear golden fat. Compound butters combine high-quality base butter with premium flavoring ingredients to create ready-to-use culinary products for restaurants and gourmet retail consumers.
Butter powder is a specialized industrial ingredient used by large-scale bakeries and food manufacturers who require butter flavor in a shelf-stable dry powder format.
Each grain of butter powder delivers authentic butter flavor without requiring refrigerated storage or cold chain distribution. From a single incoming cream stream, the facility produces over a dozen distinct butter product formats, serving every consumer and commercial channel. The Daily Quality Archive photograph documents every active product format, creating a permanent visual record of the facility's complete production capability. From the elevated command center, engineers monitor every ripening vat, continuous churn, working station, and packaging line simultaneously in real time. Salt dosing precision directly affects the flavor balance experienced by millions of consumers across every toast and baked potato. The board provides instant, comprehensive operational overview. Churn beater maintenance is the most critical preventive task, as any surface irregularity affects emulsion break efficiency and butter quality. Structured planning ensures ripened cream batches are churned in optimal sequence. Direct farm relationships ensure consistent cream quality.
What does this spike in the butterfat content mean here?
That's actually within the optimal range now that we've adjusted the separator.
The master butter maker can assess moisture content, fat crystalline structure, and working quality solely by the feel and behavior. When darkness falls, the bacterial cultures inside the ripening vats continue their slow biological transformation through the quiet night hours. Billions of bacteria work undisturbed through the dark hours, slowly developing the complex flavor compounds that distinguish premium cultured butter.
One experienced operator monitors the entire overnight ripening and early morning churning operation alone. Millions of wrapped butter blocks march toward the cold warehouse in darkness. Inside each sealed vessel, invisible bacteria perform humanity's oldest dairy transformation. Absolute clinical cleanliness, even in total darkness.
An eternal river of golden butter flows through the darkness.
From liquid cream to a sealed golden stick, the transformation is staggering. Modern engineering has transformed ancient churning craft into awe-inspiring industrial precision. One tiny golden stick, born from 2 million produced today. This facility transforms liquid farm cream into a beloved culinary staple consumed in every culture on Earth.
It all begins here. Rich cream from healthy, contented cows, the fundamental ingredient of butter for 10,000 years.
The factory exists in eternal cold chain balance, fresh cream arriving and golden butter departing. The extraordinary industrial journey culminates in this simple, universal pleasure: butter on warm toast. And so the eternal cycle begins once more. White cream entering, golden butter emerging endlessly. New workers arrive to sustain the perpetual rhythm of churning. From above, the scale becomes clear. 2 million golden sticks daily. The violent mechanical emulsion inversion process begins once more. With every churn running and every wrapper stamping, the butter factory reaches its magnificent capacity.
From green pasture to churning drum to kitchen table, 10,000 years of human partnership with dairy, unchanged at its heart. The humble stick of butter, cream, force, and time. Behind it, a breathtaking industrial empire connected.